How's it going, everyone? My name is spraypaint, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I have another supervillain for you guys. So far I only have two, but do not worry, there will be more to come. I have Green Goblin next on the list, so stay tuned for the villains. Today I'm going to be making Galactus, and I swear to y'all, if y'all do not know who Galactus is, I am going to completely understand why, because in order to really know who Galactus is, you need to read the comic books. He's only in the second Fantastic Four movie, I believe. I could be wrong. But yeah, he's only in one of the movies, and he's only in there for a few seconds, and that's it. For those of you who do not know who Galactus is a mad god. He's called Galactus, devourer of worlds. Basically, he's a mad god who goes from planet to planet and sucking the soul out of that planet for because he hungers for it, basically. And he kills every living creature, every living life form on that planet. So, yeah, he seems like a really nice guy. In case you, like, I don't know. I feel like I should meet him one day, you know? Another fun fact about Galactus, he's actually the one who created the Silver Surfer. So that's why he's in the Fantastic Four movies. And in the comic books...
It's not my fault that you can't stay focused on what you're doing.
I can't... Well, yeah, but, like, I'm going to be recording with all that...
I wasn't going to smash these until you said, you're just yanking me. I was just going to put them right here.
Why did Dad bring it out?
Because it was in the storage room and it's too smashed
Where-
up in the storage room.
Where am I supposed to put it?
You put it up your for all I care. I don't give a It's just not going in the house.
Now that's over with. Another fun fact about Galactus is that he's actually the one who created the Silver Surfer. And later the Silver Surfer betrays him because he realized how wicked and evil he was, and he starts living on Earth and realizing the beauty of the world. It's the Avengers plus the Fantastic Four who fight Galactus. The Fantastic Four does end up becoming part of the Avengers. Another fun fact about Galactus is that he attacks Manhattan. He's bigger than the Empire State Building. That's how big he is. And he could, like, hear your thoughts. You can hear his thoughts. I believe that's true. I could be wrong. I actually have to research about him again because I believe that's true. I forgot his powers and abilities, but yeah. Because I just finished the Galactus comic book series, I feel like this is only fitting to make this video today, which is another reason why I'm making this supervillain. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for talking so much about this character. No one really knows who he is, and I just feel like I have to explain it. But if you guys like this painting, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos and to help it grow. Comment on what I should do next, share with your friends and family. Thank you guys once again so much for watching. Let's get to the painting. Let's get painting, guys. Yeah, I'll take some breakfast.
You want 2 bags?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. Hang on, we can fix that. Okay, I gotta hurry up and make this outro because it is freezing outside. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Comment on what I should do next, share with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.